Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make breakfast migas. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining, please do me a favor, head down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make migas. So let's head in and see what our ingredients are before we start doing our prep. We are going to have a half a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of salsa, 3 eggs, 6 corn tortillas, a half a cup of cojita cheese, half of a red onion diced up, 1 avocado that we're going to slice up, a half a lime we're going to use for the juice, and then 1 jalapeno. So let's start doing our prep. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to dice up our corn tortilla. You leave it in strips if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and cut it into a dice. We got our lime. Just going to cut this in half, and I want about 2 wedges that I'm going to use for the ingredients, and the rest we'll use for decoration. Our jalapeno. I'm just going to take the seeds right out of this. I'm going to go ahead and dice these as well. I said we got a half of a red onion, so I'm just going to dice this up. And our avocado. We'll just take the pit out. We're going to go ahead and just dice this up as well. Alright, we've got all of our prep done. Let's take it over to the stove and start cooking. Alright, well there you go. As we always do, we got our prep done. We have our mise en place all ready to go with the towel in case we spill something, a little salt and pepper. I do have some butter there that I didn't put in the ingredients list for the eggs. And I got a spoon to stir up the eggs as they're cooking. We are ready to go, so let me set up the shot on our pan, get it into focus, turn it on, throw the butter right in there, let that melt. All right, we got our butter melting. I'm gonna throw those corn tortillas that we diced up, sorry. Let those fry just a little bit. All right, they got a little heat on them and they're starting to bubble up a little bit, means they're cooking, so I'm going to go ahead and throw our eggs in there. We're doing these scrambled, whoa, so you don't have to worry about scrambling ahead of time. You can simply throw your eggs right in the pan and then just scramble them right in the pan. You see it all the time on those advertisements for Silverstone pans. They take like a drill bit too and all that, so don't be afraid to do that. Just don't use a metal utensil if you're going to use a nice pan. Let these cook till they're set. Now you can add any of these ingredients except for maybe the sour cream into your eggs as they're cooking as well. But we're going to use most of these as toppings in the presentation. And also I'm going to throw a little cheese in there just to give it some nice texture. These are almost done. Go ahead and hit it with just a touch of some salt and pepper. Stir it up one more time. I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to add the cojita cheese, about a half of it. We're going to stir that up as well. I'm going to set the eggs over to the side. Now we're going to turn the heat up on the pan. Or turn it back on, I should say. I'm going to get that pan hot, and we're going to do our tortillas in there. Okay, basically just throw it on that hot pan, 10 to 15 seconds on each side. You want to get a little bit of a char on the outside of the tortilla. Get a little bit of color on there. That way you kind of know when they're done. You'll also smell the aroma of corn, and that'll tell you that they're ready to go too. So about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. You can also put them in the microwave in a towel and microwave them for about 15-20 seconds. That makes them a little more pliable. But I want just a little bit of a crusty texture on there. Adds to the flavor. See how pliable it is now? It's not going to break on you. You simply just take those, throw them in a towel, wrap them around the towel when you're all done. That'll keep them nice and warm until you're ready to use them. I'm going to go ahead and finish these tortillas. We're going to plate up these migas, make them look nice, take some photos of it for social media, lay those photos into the timeline with some really groovy music. Then we're going to come back and we're going to give these a try. Alright, well we got quite a spread here. As you can see, I kind of decorated each taco with a little bit of different toppings so there'd be a little diversity there. So I'm going to pick one here that's got the salsa on it. And I'm going to add a little squeeze of some lemon on here. A little sour cream. A little more cheese. Here's that taco. This is going to be really good. Here's the taste test. Oh my God. There is so much going on in there. You got the jalapeno, the creaminess of that sour cream, the avocado, salsa, the crunch of the onion. This is just incredible. This is so good. I'm going to devour all these. Thanks a lot for watching. I know there's a ton of these videos on YouTube on how to make migas for breakfast. Thanks a lot for stopping by here. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video with everybody you know. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.